This is a pre-recorded message to train new employees. To get started, you should learn how to make a bowl of ramen. This is where you can grab an empty bowl and pour chicken or spicy broth, depending on what the customer wants. After you have a bowl with broth, you need to cook some noodles. This is where you can put any toppings that the customer orders. Remember to put broth and noodles first. Oh. You can also find the instructions in the wall, in case you ever forget them. In order to survive your shift at the ramen shop, you'll need to read the rules. If you make the wrong choices, your service quality rating will drop. If it hits 0, you will not survive.
Hello sir, how's your night going?
It's a cold night. I'll order a chicken broth ramen with eggs for toppings.
Here's your order, sir.
This looks delicious, thanks. Hi, Yon, sorry, I just got back from the office. I'm so tired. I would like a chicken broth ramen with some tofu and chicken slices in it, and a water. Thank you. Hopefully I don't fall asleep on the way home.
I'm so hungry, work was very long today. I need some ramen. I want chicken broth with beef slices, tofu and eggs, with a water to drink. Best combination. Hey there, hope your night is well. One chicken broth ramen with eggs, beef slices, and tofu for toppings, with a water to drink.
Okay, one ramen and a drink coming right up.
Yum, this smells delicious.
This is the anomaly control unit. Are you calling in need of our services?
Yes, there is a tall, dark, and creepy woman in front of my store. She's the anomaly.
Alright. Please stay inside and do not interact with the anomaly. We are working to help you. Anomaly status cleared. Thank you for responsibly calling the anomaly control unit. Please continue on with your day now.
Hi there, looks like you just have gotten done with work.
Well, actually, no. I'm just on my break. I'm getting ramen for myself and my co-workers tonight. So I need 2 spicy broth ramens, with chicken slices for toppings. We need all the protein.
Here's your food, sir, all two that you ordered.
Thank you. The guys down at the station will appreciate this. Hi, I want some ramen. Get me a chicken broth ramen with green onions and eggs as toppings. Make it extra fresh for me. Thank you. I hope you made it extra fresh for me. Hi, this place seems awfully quiet tonight.
It's not too busy during the night, just the way I like it.
I want to order a chicken broth ramen with eggs and chicken slices, please. Your prices are very expensive. Do you have a senior discount?
No, we did not have an old person discount. Sorry, sir.
Smells good, not worth the price though.
Hey there, how's your night going?
It's okay, I will be going to the casino after this. I just know I'm gonna win big this time. I can feel it in the air. Anyways, let me order a chicken broth ramen with chicken slices and beef slices for toppings, and a Bloxy cola drink. Thanks. Hey, I have a question for you. Are you feeling lucky tonight? I have an offer. I'll flip a coin, and if it lands on heads, you win double your bet. If it lands on tails, I get to keep your bet. I guess you're not feeling very lucky, New Bravisban. Them ramen sounds so tasty right now. I don't like the toppings, so I want a plain chicken broth ramen. Wait, I also need a drink, one water as well.
Here's your food, sir.
Thanks, but who is that tall person behind you? Just kidding, haha. Have a good night. I hope you survive.
I think I need some food. I feel like something is missing.
Got it, order whenever you want.
Okay, I know what I want. 1 spicy broth ramen, no toppings, and 2 waters to cool my mouth down. I guess no ramen for me tonight. Ugh, my life is so terrible. At least I have ramen in my life. Ugh, I'll take a spicy broth ramen, eggs and beef slices. Please make it correct. What am I gonna do with myself now? All I wanted was some ramen. What a joke.
Oh wow, you're quite the young person. Please give me a ramen with spicy broth, with tofu and eggs for topping. Extra spicy. I may look old, but I can take the spice, haha. I hope you made it extra spicy for me. If not, I will not be coming back here. This stand smells so good. Listen, I want 1 ramen with chicken broth and tofu and green onions for the toppings. I guess no ramen tonight.
How's your night going tonight, sir?
It's good, but it would be better if I had some ramen. Very hungry. I want to order 1 spicy ramen and 1 chicken ramen, no toppings for both, and a block C cola to drink. You shut the window right in my face, seriously? Hi there, I need some dinner. I had a very long shift. I need some food to settle down now. I want one spicy ramen with chicken slices as topping, and a Bloxy cola to wash it all down.
Are you all right, sir?
Yes, I am perfectly fine. It's impolite to ask something like that, you know. Anyways, get me a chicken broth ramen with tofu and eggs, a water to drink, and no more dumb questions. Just because of my looks you decide not to serve me, I should report you. I need some ramen. My face is hurting. Ramen can fix it. Get me a chicken broth ramen with tofu and eggs. Everyone ignores me because of my face. Not fair.
I want to order a spicy broth ramen with beef slices on top. Be quick because I have to get to an important appointment.
Okay, I will be fast.
I guess I will go to my appointment with an empty stomach. How tragic.
Hey there, I'm so glad that you're open tonight. I get lonely sometimes, so it's nice to talk to another human. You're not very talkative. Anyways, let me get one chicken broth ramen with eggs, and a spicy ramen with no toppings, and a Bloxy cola to drink. Mem, I remember the smell. Good job.
Hello there. Give me the usual. Good job. You get to leave, for now.
Hi there, hope your night has been pleasant. One ramen with chicken broth and eggs for toppings. Why would you shut the window on me? I'll be reporting you. Goodbye.
Give me a spicy broth ramen with green onions and eggs, unless you want to be my next victim. Wrong choice. I think I saw your service quality grade just drop.
Hi, I need a moment.
Okay, are you alright? You look tired.
I'm okay. I've just been dealing with business lately. Give me one chicken broth ramen with beef slices and chicken slices, please, and a Bloxy cola to drink. Thanks, kid.
Do you sell ramen here?
Yes, this is a ramen shop.
Don't be rude. Give me a chicken broth ramen with beef slices and tofu. I'll get my revenge.
Hello, what would you like to order tonight? Your order's finished.
I've been looking everywhere for an open food stand. This place is like a ghost town.
That's why we stay open. What do you want to order tonight?
Give me some spicy broth ramen with eggs as the only topping. Eggs make you big and healthy. What a joke. Better keep your service quality rating up or the watcher will come for you. Wow, any place stays open all night now, huh? Who orders ramen this late at night?
People come by all night actually.
Well, I guess I'll give it a try since I'm already here. I'll order a spicy ramen with chicken slices, green onions, and tofu. Also get me a Bloxy cola to drink. I knew this place was a dumb idea. Ramen this late at night, seriously.